Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing very well. So today I will be giving you a brief about the Burj Al Arab, not about the Burj Al Arab, about the project what we're going to launch in front of Burj Al Arab. The first thing, this video is only about the briefing and to enhance your knowledge about the project, what we releasing or launching next month. First thing I want to tell you about the project location. The project location, as you can see the whole map, you can see the whole project. This is Madinah Jumeirah living, and you can see the bridge which will be connecting with Madinah Jumeirah Souk also. This is a Naseem Hotel and this is a White Wadi. This project is opposite to Burj Al Arab, which is like a walking distance of 500-700 meters from the building number 1. Now this project is centrally located. Now what does that mean? That means it is in the center of Dubai, very close to, by this road, this is a Jumeirah road starting, and by this road, this is a Umsken. By this road, you can reach to Mall of Emirates within, I think, 1 minute or 2 minutes by car. And from this location, you can reach to Palm Jumeirah Marina within the time frame of 10 minutes to 15 minutes, depends upon the traffic. Plus, from this location, you want to go to downtown airport, 10 minutes to 20 minutes, 25 minutes, not more than that. So this project is centrally located, and the best point is that this project is the first freehold property, as you can see, in front of Burj Al Arab. Now if you can tell your clients or your investors or end users or with your colleagues that this building is the first freehold property on the land in front of Burj Al Arab. The address is, I'm living opposite to Burj Al Arab, and my address is only 7-star hotel of the world is opposite to my home. So this is the thing. Now I'll tell you about the status of the project. Like this project we launched almost 2.5 years to 3 years back in the cityscape. We launched the building 1, we call it Lantara 1, Lantara 2, and then we launched in the second phase Lantara 3, this is Rahal 1 and Rahal 2. So easy way to remember is that building 1, building 2, building 3, building 4 and building 5. So these buildings already launched, sold, and within the time frame of 1 year, these buildings all will be ready. The first phase will be ready in 6 months. Then, if you can see here, there is a retail G+1 on the middle of the project. Now you can see there. This is the current Dubai Holdings head office there. And this building we launched, we call it Asail 1, so we call it a building number 6. This is Asail 2, this is Asail 3. So what we're going to launch, we're going to launch building number 8. That is Asail 3. Now if you see this building location or this angle can tell you exactly all the apartments here and apartments on the side like this. I will go closer to the building and you can see that. These all have a view of the Burj Al Arab, because I'm right now taking the video from the Burj Al Arab. Now if you see here, go to closer. You see this side and this side, they have the view of the Burj Al Arab. Plus on the other side, if you see this side here, this has a view of garden and the pool. So this building we're going to launch inshallah next month after the holidays, very soon. You will be getting to know very soon about that, but you guys can prepare your clients and you can start marketing also. Below this video I will send you the escrow account detail of the project. You can start talking to the client, you can start bringing the client, you can engage the client, and you can start collecting the checks also. The configuration is like G+8. It's a G+8 building, like ground plus 8 story. Mostly we will be having 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and very promising price per square foot price. It will be very, you can say that compared to the other project, it will be very challenging, and it will be a best project in the town, I think, in this year. So guys, please work on this one and hope you guys sell all this building in day 1. So all the best. I look forward to see you. We all sit in Mira's Sales Boutique. So you guys are more than welcome. You can come here anytime and we will be here to assist you and your clients. All the best, guys.